Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on look number 2 using the Smoke and Mirrors Jewel Vibes palette. Such a beautiful color story, beautiful palette, and it's working out. It's beautiful. And I'm creating some really beautiful looks with the $5 palette, and I found this at Five Below, so definitely check your Five Below out for some really cool makeup finds. So I'll prime my eyes with Believe Beauty primer, and I have the Hard Candy translucent powder under my eyes to catch fallout because the shadows are powdery. The only downside to this palette that I really have is that there's literally only like 2 matte shades in this whole palette, and it's 23 pans in this palette, so like 2 of them are matte. And these are the 2 shades I'm going to use. So that little warm skin tone brown and the very shimmery champagne shade I showed. So I'm just going to messily put that in the crease. I'm going to put it in the outer corner a little bit. I'm using a fluffy blending brush or crease brush to do so. And I am mainly focusing all the pigmentation of this brown on my orbital bone. And you can feel that in your eye area. It's the bone right above your eyelid. And that is where I'm placing the eyeshadow. And you can use that for a guide for your crease so your shades don't go up too high. If you're new to eyeshadow, this is a great little a tool to use, I guess, you know, as a guide. And I used some setting spray on the eyeshadow, the champagne eyeshadow I applied on the lid. This is also going to help with the fallout of this eyeshadow. That's quite a bit of glittery metallic shimmers all over your face. So get the shadow on your brush and spritz it with setting spray, and it will also foil this and, you know, just kind of like paint it on your lid. So I'm going to go back in with the blending brush with a little bit more brown, and I'm going to blend the brown in with the lid shade we used and just add a little bit more shade to the crease. And that's what I'm doing here. And as you can see on the other eye, on the right eye, some of that shadow got in the lashes, so it's super pigmented and powdery. Some of them are. And I'm using the IOA Studio Press powder that I always use in porcelain to highlight with. I love using this as a highlight. It just blends out nicely, and it works great as a magic eraser to bring down eyeshadows and blend out and highlight the brow area all in one. And normally I would do a wing, but I just was not feeling it today. I used the L'Oreal Infallible liquid eyeliner, and this is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. Such a beautiful mascara. And that's our finished eye. It's very simple. Nothing on the lower lash line or in the waterline. And for lips, this is from Sugar, and it's called Madicel, and it's in this beautiful coral shade. So beautiful. For highlight, I use that icy highlight from the eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful as well, eye-catching, and it can be built up, and they're very beautiful. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves. I think this is a pretty fairly easy everyday kind of glam look, so I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos using the Jewel Vibes palette. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, as well as check the description box for additional links, a product list, and the cards. Thank you so very much for watching.